Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to easily clear Zoom app cache and cookies on Mac and Windows PC. If Zoom starts acting up, freezing during meetings, failing to load properly, or showing login issues, cache data and cookies are often the hidden culprits. Over time, these temporary files can become outdated or corrupted, leading to performance glitches on both Mac and Windows PCs. Clearing the Zoom app cache and cookies is a quick yet effective troubleshooting step that can refresh the app, free up storage, and even restore smooth performance. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Zoom app on your Mac or Windows PC. And then you have to click on your profile located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to select the general option located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit the clear button located right next to clear local Zoom app data and cookies and confirm the action when prompted. And that's about it. Clearing Zoom's cache and cookies is a pretty simple maintenance habit that can prevent many common issues from connection errors to sluggish performance. Having said that, whether you're using Zoom for work meetings, online classes, or virtual catch ups, keeping the app clean ensures a smoother and more reliable experience. If problems persist even after clearing the cache, consider updating Zoom to the latest version or reinstalling the app for a complete reset. With these quick steps, you can keep Zoom running efficiently on both Mac and Windows PCs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.